Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If 2 equals to p cube, then which of the following is equal to 8p? Let me take the equation we have over here, that is 2 equals to p cube. Let me raise both sides of this equation to the power of 3. That is 2 is raised to the power of 3 and this p cube is raised to the power of 3. And we know that the value of 2 cube is 8 because we have 2 cube equals to 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 has to be multiplied by itself for 3 times. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, on the right side, a power is raised to another power. Whenever a power is raised to another power, we can multiply the two exponents. Okay, when I multiply this 3 and 3, that is 3 times 3 is 9. Now let's multiply both sides of this equation by p. Then we get 8p on the left side. On the right side, it has to be multiplied by p. Then we get p times p to the 9th power. Okay, 8p equals to, for this p, we don't have any exponent, so we can take exponent 1. Here we multiply two powers with the same base p. Whenever we multiply two powers with the same base, what we can do is that we can take the base ones and we have to add the exponents, then we get 1 positive 9. 8p equals to p to the power of 1 positive 9 is 10. Here I got the stuff that is equal to 8p, that is p to the 10th power. I find this stuff for p to the 10th power in answer choice C. So this is the correct answer.